Hello, hello, hello. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Cassandra, aka the Prosperous Heart from www.prosperousheart.com, and I am whoa. Sorry. I am currently, like I said, just went live, so I got to make sure that you can hear me. Perfect. I can hear myself. Awesome. So, again, my name is Cassandra, and I am on a mission to empower at least 10 people to become debt-free by 2020. There's a lot of different ways to do that. I've talked about Forex. I've talked about debt elimination. I'm going to be talking about something really cool tomorrow. But in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a little bit with what I do with my clients in my online marketing and social media and Facebook ads agency. Now, this specific one is more for personal options. However, some people, even though it's not Facebook okayed, they use their profiles for business. So this is really meant for you, my friends and family and all. For those who are business owners, this is something to look into as well if you're using your profile for business. So, do you ever find yourself really upset when you miss someone's big birthday bash or whatever the case may be, that they hosted an event on Facebook and maybe they even invited you, but you missed the notification? With everything that's going on in the world today, it's really, really likely that you're going to miss these types of things. And so in today's video, I wanted to share 3 ways that you can actually minimize that so that you can see more events that your friends are part of and you can be more available and be able to share those experiences with them. So first things first, I'm going to share with you what one way to do it on your phone. Let me go ahead and switch over to my share screen. Perfect. So what you see here is a screenshot actually of my phone. I'm on an Android, and when you're on your Facebook app, there's something called, I guess it's called the hamburger menu. You're going to tap on that, and then it'll open up a list of things and scroll down until you find events. Once you tap on that, you'll see a few items such as, oh darn, I forgot this again, sorry. So you'll see Explore, hope you can see that, Calendar, and Hosting. So what's the difference between Explore, Calendar, and Hosting? Explore on events means, hey, I'm open to doing whatever. I just want to see what's going on. And so it will tell you things like going on tonight, going on this weekend, going on that your friends are doing, right? You can see at the very top here. Let me go ahead and draw the tools, right? You can choose location. You can choose if it's today, if you want to do it tomorrow, this weekend. Any events that you're currently a part of, it'll show here. Any events that Facebook thinks you might like. And then, like I said, at the top, you have Explore, which is where you're locating them. Calendar, which is what's currently on your calendar or coming up. And then anything that you're hosting. I think that's the last one. Yeah. So that's how you do it from your phone. The way that you can do it from your desktop, let me go back and share my screen. Same kind of thing. It used to be something up here where you would click the drop down, but they've kind of moved it around. So 2 ways to do that is, one, over here on the left side, you can see here under Explore, right, that we have our events section. You can also go to your actual profile, and you can scroll down. It'll eventually load down here, I think. Maybe not. There it is, sorry. So under your More, there's events here, and you can click on that as well. Both of those links that I just showed you will take you to the same place. So you have upcoming, right? It shows you your past options as well. If you scroll further, oh, no, not that one. That might be just your own events then. Haven't looked in this in a while. So if you come to the events under your Explorer, that's when it shows you the whole thing. I think that's silly, but whatever. All right, so when you're on the general events section, when you come under the home page of Facebook, this is where you can see your upcoming events. You can find events, again, very much like on your phone, right? So today, tomorrow, you can actually choose your own date on your desktop. You can choose the types of events that you're looking for. You can create your own events. Here's the Discover again. You can also find birthdays, which is one of my favorites. I actually have a training on how to utilize birthdays to kind of hack the Facebook algorithm. So if you want that, say birthday hack down below, and I'll be sure to get it to you. But like I said, this is where you come to see events. If you click here on calendar, this is where it'll show you the calendar itself. So if you're looking for things like today, tomorrow, you can scroll down and see them under specific dates, anything that you're invited to, et cetera, et cetera. So that is option 1 for eliminating the inability, I guess. Hey, Ann. Hey, Abdul. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for the love there, Richard. Appreciate it. So that's one way of actually hacking the algorithm here and making sure that you don't miss any more important events with your friends and family. So option number 2. Awesome. Option number 2 is turning on your Facebook follow. Now, this is something that you can turn on and off for yourself at will. I have a training on that as well. So let's just say follow training down below, and I'll get that to you as well. So this follow that happens, you would think that when you add somebody as a friend on Facebook, that it would automatically follow them. So let me back up. What is follow? Follow means that I want to be notified whenever this person does something on their public posts, right? There's follow, and then there's get notifications. So let me go ahead and show you the difference. Let me pull up a friend of mine. Ivan. Let's go with my friend Ivan. Ivan is one of the people that I was introduced to with the Forex education, direct mentorship community, and tools that I use for my Forex trading. And he's actually the very first person ever to complete a whole real estate transaction with Bitcoin. So I'm going to be using him today as my, there we go, as my point to show here. So, following and getting notifications. There's a big difference. Again, following, which is this one right here, this is what basically says, I want to see what they post publicly. Again, I have a full training on this. Say follow training down below, and I'll get that to you. It goes deep dive into how to use it, how to leverage it to hack the Facebook algorithm. I'm just going to cover the just a couple of points right now. So I could unfollow Ivan, but that doesn't mean that I'm not going to get notifications from him. So notifications are the things that come up here in the little notification area, right? Now, when you're following someone and when you get notifications, they show up in your Facebook feed, which is this part right here where you see all these different updates from your friends and family. Follow is mostly their public ones, but when you hover over the friends section, there's actually an item here when it loads called get notifications. You can see that this is checked. If I were to uncheck get notifications, I won't receive notifications from Ivan under my notifications here. I think if I uncheck notifications and follow, I don't get him even under my home. I might be wrong on that. I haven't tested this theory yet. Because again, with all the notifications you get, my theory might be right and I may never know. So if you don't have your follow turned on and your get notifications turned on for the friends that you for sure want to hear from, you're not going to hear from them. You're not going to hear about the events that you might want to attend. If you're not actively looking at those events that I just showed you a minute ago, you're going to have some issues, right? So that's hack number 2 to make sure that you don't miss out on events with your friends. Hack number 3 is the Facebook algorithm. So again, I have a full training on this. I'm going to keep this video short. So if you want the Facebook hack for the Facebook algorithm, also known as EdgeRank, let me know down below by saying EdgeRank. It's one word. You can say it too. It don't matter. And I'll get that information to you. So thanks so much for watching. My name is Cassandra, aka the Prosperous Heart from www.prosperousheart.com. And like I said, I am on a mission to empower at least 10 people to become debt-free by 2020. There's a million and one ways in this day and age to be able to do that. It could be debt elimination. It could be teaching you how to do Forex. It could be helping grow your business online. If there's something that's on your heart to do, you have to follow it. And this has been on my heart for a long time. And so I'm just doing it. I'm sharing the information that I know with you. I'm providing tools and information to help you create the dream lifestyle that you have on your heart. Because I firmly believe that we were born to win, but we were programmed to fail. And you know, it takes a long time to reprogram because most of who we are is formed by the time that we're 7 years old. And for me, I am I am more than 3 times at this point, more than four. Yeah, more than 4 times that at this point in my life. And so think about that. Think of all the years of programming that you've had from your friends, your family, your teachers, your coworkers, people that you don't like, right? Everything that you listen to, you say, the people that you hang around, the things that you read, the things that you watch, everything is actually programming you. So everything that you're doing right now is based off of who you've created, right? And what's been co-created within your life. And so if you want something different, if you want more money, if you want a better house, if you want a different lifestyle, you have to make changes today and stay consistent, find mentorship, and get the right tools to create that lifestyle that you want. So, like I said, if you want to find out what I'm doing to be able to follow this passion of mine, please reach out. Either leave a comment below or send me a message. I would love to show you what's possible because I promise you, with everything that's out there, you've probably heard of just about everything under the sun at this point. But in the same token, I'm shocked. I'm shocked at the things that people don't know, like Forex, like, making tech things easy for online marketing. So, like I said, reach out. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and hop off. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful and prosperous rest of your day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Oh, actually, let me make sure there's no questions. Thank you so much for the love, Robert. I appreciate that. All right. Hi, Sunny. Thank you. Okay, cool. So I don't see any questions. My pleasure, Abdul. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.